Today, we will answer to the commonly asked question, do lemongrass oil stop dandruff? Later, in this video, we will also share DIY anti-dandruff treatment or anti-dandruff oil recipe. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video as we are going to start. So the answer to the question is yes, lemongrass oil can stop dandruff. Because it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce dandruff symptoms. According to the findings of a small study published in 2015, hair tonics containing 10% lemongrass oil reduced dandruff by 81% after 2 weeks. Now, it's time to share Anti Dandruff Oil Recipe or DIY Anti Dandruff Treatment with you. For this treatment, you will need 2 to 3 drops of lemongrass oil. Now, what you have to do is add the lemongrass oil to your shampoo and massage this mixture onto your scalp. Then, wash your hair thoroughly with plain water. For best results, you have to repeat this method twice a week. Note, if you have a sensitive scalp, topical application of lemongrass oil might cause an allergic reaction. Do a patch test before trying this remedy. In our upcoming video, we will share DIY solution for dandruff and dry scalp. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.